Spider plants, also known as airplane plants and spider ivy, are native to tropical and southern Africa. The long, grass-like leaves of this flowering perennial are often striped with white down the middle or edges, but there are solid green varieties, too. Often grown in hanging baskets due to their cascading growth, they produce small white flowers in response to increasing daylight. After a spider plant flowers, baby spider plants appear on the flower shoots. These baby spider plants can be clipped off and easily propagated. Spider plants are super easy to propagate, and there are a few different methods you can use. But growing spider plants from babies is the most common method of propagating spider plants. In this video, I will show you exactly how to propagate spider plants step by step. Giving it the right growing conditions. Spider plants enjoy bright to moderate indirect sunlight and warm temperatures. Once you see the plant flower, you know you're doing something right. It's these small white flowers that turn into new spider plant babies. Look for a spider plant baby that has little nubs on it. These are the beginnings of those beautiful new roots that will help your new plant thrive. They look like this. Make sure you get at least one of these when removing your baby. Plant the baby into its own pot, water it well, allowing the excess water to drain out the bottom of the pot. Keep the soil evenly moist until the plant has become established in its new pot, but don't overwater it. Once you see new growth, that means the plant is established. After they're established, baby spider plant care is the same as it is for a mature spider plant. Just remember that spider plants enjoy bright to moderate indirect sunlight and warm temperatures. One of the most common problems with spider plants is brown leaf tips. This tip burn is often blamed on minerals in the water supply, but it can also be due to insufficient water or humidity. Although it's generally harmless, you can trim affected leaves. Flushing the soil with distilled water can help wash out excess salts or fertilizer if the tip burn is excessive. Happy gardening!